Hi and welcome to this introduction and tutorial video about how to use FeatureCloud AIs. Machine learning has proven to be a powerful tool to reach new insights in many areas. In particular in biomedicine, where vast amounts of data exist, machine learning appears very promising. However, conventional machine learning is often difficult or not possible because it requires all the data to be in one central place. This is often not feasible due to privacy regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation. FeatureCloud overcomes this obstacle by using federated machine learning. It is a platform which facilitates development, distribution, and usage of machine learning algorithms. It aims to be an all-in-one solution, providing everything you need to use machine learning without requiring any programming skills. If you want to develop your own federated applications, this is possible too and actively supported, but outside of the scope of this video. The basic idea of federated machine learning is to move as much of the processing of the data as possible to the data holders and aggregate the results on a higher level. The security of federated algorithms lies in the aggregated nature of the data that is sent away by the data holders. This aggregated data must not allow reconstruction of individual data pieces, such as patient records. In this example, a linear regression model is constructed by aggregating one regression model from each data holder, which, as you can see, do not contain any of the data points. Still, in this case, the resulting linear model is identical to the models that you would get if you used the whole data to directly create it. In order to use FeatureCloud, you need to download and install Docker and the FeatureCloud controller. Docker is a virtualization solution which allows us to isolate federated applications run on your machine. FeatureCloud wraps federated machine learning algorithms in so-called containers and makes them available on the FeatureCloud AI store, as you will see in the tutorial video. Both Docker and the controller need to be running in order to use FeatureCloud. You also need to create a personal account and a so-called site, which represents a data holder. Again, this will be shown in the demo video. And with that, let's see FeatureCloud in action. Let's at first have a look at the AI store to see which apps are actually available. So on this page you see the apps that you can select to use. Later you can also filter these apps by various criteria such as type or privacy technique, or free text search is also available. When you click on these apps, you will get some additional information, and you can also see that this app here has been certified. So that means that a FeatureCloud member has basically vetted this app and deemed it secure. Before you can actually use these apps, you need to create an account. To do that, you select Sign Up from the top menu. You need to enter an email address, name, and select a password. Then you need to confirm your email address and password. After signing up, you will be prompted to verify your email address, so you should receive an email with a confirmation link, and once you click on this confirmation link, this notification will disappear. After verifying your email address, the notification will disappear, and you can start creating a site. To do that, you go to the top menu and click Create Site. A site basically represents a data holder and is required in order to run FeatureCloud applications. After creating your site, you can actually start using FeatureCloud AIs. In order to do that, you first need to select the AIs you want to use from the AI store. So we go back to the AI store, click on the desired app, and add it to the library by clicking this button. You can always view the apps that you have added to your library by going to the AI store and select the My Library tab. So now that we've added this app, it will show up here. All right, now we can actually start our first workflow. For that, you go to the Projects page, click Create Project and enter a project name and a brief project description. These will help you to identify the project later and also to inform collaborators what this project is about. After adding, it will appear in your list of projects. To now assemble the workflow, you select all the apps you want to use from your app library. You just click the right arrow button and it will become part of your workflow. Once you're done, you click Finalize, and you now have the possibility to create so-called tokens. These tokens allow other participants to join your project and to become part of the study. Once a participant is provided with a token, they can click Join Project instead of Create Project, paste the token, and view the project that they're about to join. When they decide to join the project, they will now appear in the list of project members. Once everyone has joined, the project coordinator can click Start and trigger the workflow execution. This app doesn't require initial data to run, therefore we can just click Continue without upload. When all participants have clicked Continue without upload, the workflow begins to run. The FeatureCloud system now boots the first app in the workflow. This happens for every participant of the project. This can take a while, and once it's done, you will be able to go to the app front end and app logs. The app logs show basic information about the execution of the app and are mostly important for debugging purposes. While the logs are provided by FeatureCloud and simply stem from the container, the front end is something that comes with the app. So this is app specific, and in this case it allows us to upload our own data. The coordinator on top of that needs to specify some parameters which are important for this machine learning algorithm, which is a Cox proportional hazard model. When the coordinator has entered all the parameters, the algorithm can continue with the actual execution. Again, this behavior is app specific, so many apps can already start without any further user interaction. Let's speed up this now a little, because executing this algorithm can take a few minutes. Okay, now the app is done, and we can actually have a look at the results. You can download the results from the FeatureCloud frontend by clicking the Results button beside the app. The contents of the results folder are created by the app. In this case, it is a plot and a file containing the results in tabular format as a CSV file. Okay, so now you should have the most important information to run a FeatureCloud AI for yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.